YouTube Music to be pre-installed on Android 10 devices. YouTube has announced the YouTube Music app will come pre-installed on devices as part of Android. Previously, the music subscription service required a separate download from Google Play. The app will also come preloaded on new devices that ship with Android 10 and 9 Pie in the future, including Google's Pixel devices, YouTube said. Google's other music subscription service, Google Play Music, which had previously come bundled as part of Android, will no longer be pre-installed on Android devices. See also, Google Nest Hub Max. The value of assistants are starting to make sense. Google Play Music listeners with new Android 10 devices can continue to enjoy Google Play Music by downloading it from the Play Store and logging into their accounts, YouTube said. Among the recent changes made to Android's bundled package, the company revamped its Play Store app last month. The new look interface to the Google Play Store, which gets 2 billion visitors a month, brings it in line with the company's material design scheme, with a navigation bar at the bottom of the app on Android phones and a new left navigation on tablets and Chrome OS devices. Last week, a wave of account hijacks hit YouTube users. According to a ZDNet investigation, creators in the auto-tuning and car review community were hit heavily. Related coverage: Facebook, Microsoft, Twitter, YouTube overhaul counterterrorism efforts for Christchurch call. A new crisis response protocol has also been launched for the 48 countries, 3 international organizations, and 8 tech firms that are members of the call. LGBTQ, the missing letters in Google's YouTube alphabet and the moral struggle of algorithms. Where's the training data on morals and ethics? Google is trying to make sense of hot-button cultural and political issues using AI and algorithms. Google and YouTube part with $170 million to settle alleged violations of kids' privacy. Targeting YouTube channels at kids lands Google on wrong side of Children's Online Privacy Protection Act (COPPA). Google Cloud goes down, taking YouTube, Gmail, Snapchat, and others with it. Google Cloud networking issue takes down a large chunk of web services across North America and the EU. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.